My name is Christa Cooper, and this is my to-do list honor project for November 2022 Backend Python graduation. It is a Django-based app with HTML and CSS pages to keep track of to-do tasks. It uses many Django packages, including login, forms, mixins, and views. As you can see, it is a dashboard style tracker for tasks. It has user authentication, so it could be used by many people, say in a household. So it also includes a way to register new users. As you can see, every page looks the same. That was handled by creating the main template and applying it to all pages so changes are global. It greets the user by name and the number of incomplete tasks. It has a fully functional search feature. And you can add new tasks by hitting the plus sign. You can also complete tasks by hitting the checkbox. And it will cross them out in the list. When you are ready to fully remove them from the list and purge them, you can hit the trash can, and it'll ask you if you're sure, and it will delete them. My biggest challenge in this project was I didn't know Django a week ago, but I was having, other than what is in the lessons, I was having trouble with my Python projects, getting them to do what I wanted, and an internet search showed me that Django had resources to make what I wanted if I learned how to use it. So I scoured the docs, I went through a lot of trial and error, consulted many smart people that I know, including several instructors, and even found a pretty good expert that has videos that explain things in a way that made sense and put things all together. My favorite part of my code is where I figured out how to display the incomplete tasks for the users. As you can see on my page, it says 5 incomplete tasks, but on a different user, I have a test one set up here, it says 1 incomplete task, so it's grammatically correct. I did that by setting up a pluralizer. I figured that out, got that set up to work, so it's grammatically correct depending on the number of tasks. Thank you for viewing my project. Coming up in version 2, there will be a custom registration page, due dates with notifications, and better use of the task description. Have a great day.